Hello everyone, this is Don from VisionNav Robotics, and I'm in charge of the global sales of VisionNav Robotics. And VisionNav Robotics is co-founded in 2016 by a Hong Kong Chinese University doctorate team. And we are focusing on the research and development of the automated forklifts used applied in the manufacture and warehouse logistics.
Hi, Dom. Could you please tell us what are the core target market of your company? And is there any customized solutions you have to support? Please tell us something. Thank you.
Okay. And our target market, the most biggest target, I think definitely is mainland China. And also for the global market, we are focusing on the Japan, Korea, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Thailand. And actually, for the overseas market, our customer has a lot of different customization requests. For example, for some automotive industry customer, they require CE certificate for the product because they have very high level security requirement of the product. And also, for another case of a Korea market, and our customer wants us to customize our forks of the forklifts can only reach 1 meter because they want to keep the safety of the on-site employees. So actually, for the global development, we have already do a lot of customization for our customers.
Hi, Dong. Could you please give us an introduction of the product or the innovation solutions you have this time? Please give us something, please.
Okay. And this year, the solution we bring here is the product loading and unloading on the wing top truck. And actually, we are the only supplier in mainland China who have the real case deployed on customer sites on this scenario. And what the technology distinguishes us from others is that the vision technologies. And you can see here, the width between the pallet and the cages are very narrow, actually are less than 10 millimeters. And also, what we do is to stacking the pallet or the cages first, and then to put them on the truck. This can help the customer to increase their storage capacity very greatly. And also, I will introduce you another 2 cases. The first one is the applied in the panel industry. And actually in that industry, we are using a very new forklifts. It's omnidirectional driving forklifts. And also in that case, we have more than 60 forklifts running there. And also we have 3 types of forklifts. The first one is omnidirectional one, and second one is counterbalance one, and third one is the transportation one. And we transport the products from the raw material to semi-product to the fully finished products. And this helps our customer to increase the efficiency of the whole factory. And third case I want to introduce to you is the case is using in the e-commerce industry. It's in the overseas market. And we have 50 forklifts running there. And the forklifts have helped the customer to distribute the products in the distribution center. And this helps them to increase efficiency, and also the products can be deployed very quickly. So our customer like our solutions and product very likely.
As we all know, the Industry 4.0 is a very hot topic. Our client is very focused on efficiency, safety. Could you please tell us what advantages we have? What kind of a service we can offer to your clients, please?
Okay. And for the Industry 4.0, and our customer is mainly considering about is the price, efficiency, and the safety. And our company is using the vision technology to help us to increase all of this. And you can see from our forklifts, we are using the 3D slam laser to scanning all the environment. And this laser sensor can reach to 80 meters. So it can help us to detect obstacles, the person, and anything in the environment to help our forklifts to adjust the position of the forklifts. And also, because of we have the ability to pre-adjust, so we can to increase our efficiency. And also, we add a lot of the sensors, like from the SIG, from the Lebanix, to help us to detect obstacles in the environment. And because of the COVID-19, and more people are getting old, so actually not a lot of workers like to work in the factories and warehouse. So more and more customers like to considering the applied the automated forklifts in their environment. So we wish our products to help to increase the efficiency, safety of the Industry 4.0.